Qualifying child test. All of the following tests must be met to claim a dependency exemption under the rules for a qualifying child. If you could be claimed as a dependent by another person, you cannot claim anyone else as a dependent. Even if you have a qualifying child or a qualifying relative, you cannot claim that person as a dependent. For example, if Bart went to live with Ned and Homer still claimed Bart as a dependent, then Ned cannot claim Bart as a dependent. Joint return test. To meet this test, the child must be unmarried. Test number 3, citizen or resident test. To meet this test, the child must be a U.S. citizen or a resident of Canada or Mexico. Test number 4, the relationship test. To meet this test, the child must be your son, daughter, stepchild, eligible foster child, adopted child, or a descendant of any of them, or your brother, sister, half-brother, half-sister, stepbrother, stepsister, or a descendant of any of them. Test number 5, the age test. To meet this test, the child must be under age 19 at the end of the year, or a full-time student under age 24 at the end of the year, or permanently and totally disabled at any time during the year regardless of age. Test number 6, the residency test. To meet this test, the child must have lived with you for more than half of the year. Test number 7, the support test. To meet this test, the child must not have provided more than half of his or her own support. Dependent taxpayer test. So those are the tests to determine if you can claim a child as a dependent.